front of the 2025 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon keeps its iconic design while adding modern refinements. The signature 7-slot grille is slightly narrower, improving airflow and enhancing engine cooling. LED headlights and fog lights are more pronounced, providing excellent visibility and a bold look. Steel bumpers and a raised suspension hint at its off-road prowess, while the available 35-inch tires and higher ground clearance promise capability on any terrain. Inside, the Rubicon offers a balance of rugged durability and refined comfort. Premium materials like leather-trimmed seats and rubberized flooring make it both stylish and easy to clean after muddy adventures. A 12.3-inch touchscreen with Uconnect 5 brings wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and intuitive navigation right to your fingertips. The cabin also features multiple USB ports, a 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, and thoughtful storage throughout, including locking compartments for your gear. Under the hood, the 2025 Rubicon provides a choice of powerful engines. The standard 3.6L Pentastar V6 with e-torque delivers reliable performance and fuel efficiency. For more torque and towing capability, the optional 2.0L turbocharged i4 or the 6.4L Hemi V8 in the 392 model offer serious muscle. Jeep also continues its push for sustainability with the 4xe plug-in hybrid, combining electric efficiency with trail-ready power. All models come with advanced 4x4 systems and off-road tech like RockTrack and TrueLock differentials. From the outside to the engine bay, the Jeep Wrangler Rubicon is built for adventure. Whether climbing rocky trails or cruising city streets, it delivers rugged capability with modern style. Jeep's commitment to performance, comfort, and innovation makes the 2025 Rubicon a worthy companion for those who crave freedom, exploration, and a bit of mud on the tires.